Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up 2FA or two-factor authentication on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just to have your account already set up in Robinhood. Then you will need to connect to your account of course. After that, all we need to do is just go to the settings. And to go to settings, you will need just to click on account. In your mobile application, in the bottom menu, you will find an avatar icon or a person icon, and then you will need to click it so you can go to your profile. Then you will need to go to settings. This is how it looks here in the web app. In your mobile app, you will find in the top corner on the left, you will find three bars icon. So you will have a three bars icon, and then you click on it, and you will find security and privacy. And basically, by clicking on security and privacy, you will be able to go to the 2FA or the two-factor authentication. So basically here we can change the password and we can see the linked apps and the devices. So basically after clicking on the 2FA, you will need just to select the method that you would like. So either you can be messaged via SMS in your phone and you can select it. So you will need just to add your mobile number. So you can be text an OTP or a code and then you will start adding it. Or you can use an authenticator app. And basically an authenticator app will require, of course, an authenticator app, and then you click on select, and then you can just scan the QR code that will be showing, and you will be able to set up your 2FA on Robinhood. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.